not my usual book content, but I hope you'll bear with me. So I'd heard that Build-A-Bear was making more diverse bears, and I went to Build-A-Bear shop and I had a lot of fun designing the brightest bear I could. She's multicoloured and her clothes are multicoloured, and of course she has beautiful bright glasses, which perfect for that when you're working on encouraging children to wear glasses. Now, I'd heard that they did hearing aids, and I asked in the shop and they said I didn't think they did hearing aids. Might be able to get it on the website. They'd never heard of it. And so I ordered something new, and this arrived today. And here he is, one new bear. And here's the fun bit. I have also ordered first of all hearing aids. Now these only came in one colour, which I was a bit disappointed with, because I'd have liked nice pink ones for this bear. Let's see how they go on. Yeah, I like that. That's definitely a hearing aid. Okay. Now, because I'm intending to use these bears with children in school, I got the school uniforms and of course some shoes for this fella here. So let's see what we've got. Let's dress the boy doll. I know boy dolls could be just as bright as girl dolls, but I wanted just to kind of have a bit more of what children are expecting. Oh, he's even got a little pocket for his hole for his tail to come out of. We'll give him his trousers. Now, the other thing I noticed was that Build-A-Bear only had one colourway with the school uniforms. They come in grey and red. Fortunately, one of the main school that I will be using these bears with has a grey and red school uniform. So I'm quite pleased with that. Oh, his tail comes through. Oh, yeah, you can tell I'm not very experienced in dressing toys. And here's his. He's just got a jumper with the shirt at the top. Of course, we all know plenty of children that would need to have those labels removed. Now, get that over his head. And put in his arms. Let's see if he's... Now, he's not ready for school until he's got all his equipment. So let's just pull that down. Now let's give him his hearing aids. We have to cut off the labels. I'll do that later when I've got a pair of scissors with me. Now, these hearing aids are quite nice, really. They've got little grey bits for buttons. They're just a general shape. Though, looking at them, I can tell how easy they would be for any slightly crafty parents to create their own. Just held on with a bit of elastic. But they're really sweet. Come on, put on your hearing aids. One. they hold on quite nicely. Oh, I think he needs his glasses as well. And I bought some Build-A-Bear glasses as well. I bought a few pairs because I know that they're going to fit on other toys as well. I get the feeling the trick will be to keep an eye out for sales at Build-A-Bear. Look, put your glasses. The only thing is, with a bear, the glasses don't go over his ears. They go under his ears. So here he is, now I'm not sure what I should call him. If you've got ideas for his name, please put it in the comments. Oh, he needs his shoes on. He's like, sort of remind me of the orthodontic protective footwear that you sometimes see children who have skeletal differences using, or they just look like normal kickers or dogs. Oh, there he is. I think he's nearly ready for school. I'm not sure what to call him really. Maybe he needs quite a standard name, like Archie or Hamid. Oh, I don't know. So there's him. And now I have already given her a name. Her name is Bo, as in Rainbow. Let's put her into her new school uniform. I'm sure there'll be lots of you who are getting ready for the new school term. Which reminds me, I need to check whether my child actually fits their trousers, because they have definitely grown over the summer holidays. Oh, I like the way this does up. That's nice and really simple. So if we take off your jumper. Ready, up over your nose. And slip her arms in. One thing I do notice is that since the hearing aids match the school uniform, that's probably much more realistic for a lot of children who select hearing aids colours to coordinate. So now you need your other hearing aid there. There it is. The other nice thing about these... Oh, it's only got one hearing aid on. I'm sure I ordered 4 hearing aids. But I've got so many bits. Let's just... Yes, there's definitely 4 hearing aids here somewhere. Right. But that is... Let's just clear the table down a bit. Rather. My 2 teddies ready for school. Ah, here's the other hearing aids. I knew once I started tidying up I'd find it. Come here, Bo. Now, these 2 bears are really to get the bears kitted out for school like this with their hearing aids and glasses and school uniform. the only way to get that is through the Build-A-Bear website, which is a bit disappointing because actually I would have liked to have seen them in the shop. Though in the shop they did have a wheelchair for a Build-A-Bear, which I didn't have the money for at the moment, and also crutches, which I think they were really aimed at being a gift for someone who's broken their leg, but they're actually they're suitable for children that use crutches for their everyday life. So tell me what you think. Would you get a teddy like this as a starting school gift for your child? Do you think he looks like a little bear in the story? Maybe. I think he might work very well as a little bear in the story. If I'm telling the story of bears can't ski. No, can bears ski, sorry. But yes, I like them. They're definitely good additions to my school bag. Don't they look fabulous and ready for school? Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe. I'd love to hear your names for the teddies.